Managing Director Vele Mamtenya established Namwi Poultry Farm at his village in 2015 on a small scale. Today his business has grown in leaps and bounds and is able to produce chicks which he sells locally. He also sells ready-to-slaughter marathon chickens. Eggs, quail, rabbits and ducks, among others, are also produced at Namwi Poultry Farm. Mamtenya saw it fit to bring poultry farmers together to network and market their products and learn from one another and form possible joint ventures to boost local economic growth.
We've realized that in the poultry industry, most of us that are just starting now, we are not coming together, we are not networking in order for us to know who is where and what they are farming, in order for us to sell the products together in a large volume. Many services or many companies that would require this, they would want a large number of either chickens, a large number of chicks, a large number of eggs, or a large number of vegetables. But then we do not have enough land, we do not have enough resources in order for us to go massive. But if we can combine together, we can easily meet the demand that they have.
He says the challenge in the poultry industry is high cost of feed and market of the products. Different topics were presented at the event, such as diseases and biosecurity, types of poultry feeds, products offered by Agribank to emerging farmers, and treatments, among others. We spoke to some farmers and expertise who answered to different questions posed by participants.
As I'm busy starting up with the chicken farming, so I would like to get more information on how to go about chicken farming, what type of medicines, and also what type of chicken should I farm with.
I'm from Windhoek, from a company called Centrotech. We do chemicals and sanitizers for the food industry and the agricultural industry. And we came to this marketing day to come and speak to the farmers in the northern part to help them practice good hygiene, to disinfect.
I decided to come here to learn from others. I'm not a farmer by profession. I just started last year in October. So wherever, even in Windhoek I was there, wherever I heard that there's something for information sharing, I have to travel so that I can get more information to be able to run my project.